kilowatt per pump and reduce 180 now.
Adam, dziś oddaję moją córkę w Twoje ręce, wierząc, że będziesz przy Tobie szczęśliwa. Wierzę, że jak kochasz ją i jak się z nią troszczysz. I za to Ci dziękuję. Życzę Wam wspólnego życia pełnego miłości, wzajemnego szacunku i zrozumienia. Witaj w naszej rodzinie syna.
This is the day that Agata and Adam will remember all their lives. And you're here to share their joy, to wish them well, and to make this a happy and memorable day for them both.
Agata, take you, Adam Collins, to be my wedded husband.
So can I ask Penny to come forward with the rings?
Agata, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage and a symbol of our love. I pledge to you my love and trust. I promise to be ever honest and faithful to you and to share all that I am with you.
It gives me great pleasure, therefore, to declare you are now lawfully husband and wife. Congratulations. Adam, you may kiss your bride.
I invited Agata to come and work on a film that I was making at the time. She came onto the film set and we hit it off and we went out that night for a proper date. And you know, we've obviously been together ever since. And you know, from that moment, it completely changed my life. Agata isn't necessarily a huge fan of water, but you know, she comes scuba diving with me. And not a huge fan of heights, but she comes paragliding with me. Like anything that's like adventurous and a little bit crazy, you know, she's always up for getting amongst it and getting involved. How kind-hearted she is, and how caring and how selfless. And even in my darkest and lowest times, she's always been there for me.
See, growing up, I was always in awe of Adam. And everything that he accomplished, he was, without a doubt, the cool brother. Hard as nails, an entrepreneur, Royal Marines commando, and finally chasing his dreams into the film industry. And it was along that journey that he met Agata. I could say, and the rest is history. But that would not do justice to what Agata has brought into Adam's life. Those that know him well can see it. The way his smile is always a little wider, his laugh a little louder, and his mind a little calmer. Agata's unwavering support and evident love for Adam are things that I will always be grateful for. And if supporting Adam was not impressive enough, Agata has also achieved her first-class honours in adult nursing, embarking on her own impressive career journey. Agata, you have not only been Adam's greatest supporter, but also an inspiration in your own right. Your kindness, strength and determination makes it clear that you are a very lucky man. Adam, I love you as my brother, and I love you forever. So let us raise our glasses to a lifetime of love, adventure and unwavering support to Adam and Agata.